Tart lemon and crunchy poppy seeds coming together in this soft, buttery scone for a delightful way to start your morning.
And they are quick and easy to make. Start by preheating your oven with a baking stone or baking tray inside. While that's heating up, combine the dry ingredients: flour, I use gluten-free of course, sugar, baking powder, salt, and poppy seeds in a large bowl, and mix it all together. In another bowl, combine the eggs, melted butter, milk, and you can use a dairy-free substitute if you'd like here, lemon zest and lemon juice. Whisk that together with a fork. Then pour that mixture into the dry ingredients. There's no special equipment needed. Just mix it all together with a fork or spoon until it forms a ball and all of the dry ingredients are mixed in. Then plop the dough onto a flat tray lined with parchment paper. Shape the dough into a 1-inch thick round disc. Next, use a sharp knife to cut the dough into 8 wedges. Pull each of the wedges away from the center, leaving about a 1/2-inch space between each piece to allow air to circulate and cook the sides of the scones. Reshape any of the wedges if needed. And now bring the scones over to the preheated oven with either a hot baking stone or baking tray inside and carefully slide the parchment paper with the scones on top onto the hot surface. 15 to 20 minutes later, carefully remove the scones that are lightly browned on the edges and soft, but no longer doughy. For a sweet lemony drizzle, combine powdered sugar and freshly squeezed lemon juice, stirring it until it becomes a smooth glaze, just like that. Now, transfer the warm scones to a serving platter, drizzle with the sweet lemony glaze, and sprinkle on a little extra lemon zest and some poppy seeds on top. Oh my goodness, do they look good or what? Now you can serve these with some clotted cream and jam, a little butter, or some berries on the side.
And in less than 30 minutes, you could be enjoying these lemon poppy seed scones.
You can find the recipe for lemon poppy seed scones at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.